Have you ever woken up multiple times during the night, needing to use the bathroom? It's a common experience that can leave you feeling exhausted and irritated. It can be frustrating, right? Tossing and turning, trying to get back to sleep, only to be interrupted again.
Imagine this. You're fast asleep, dreaming of adventures, when suddenly the urge to pee jolts you awake. It's like your body has its own alarm clock set to disrupt your rest. You stumble to the bathroom, relieved, only to find yourself back in the same situation a couple of hours later. The cycle repeats and each trip feels more draining than the last. This, my friend, might be your excretory system trying to tell you something. It's not just a random inconvenience. It could be a sign that your body needs attention.
Now, you might be thinking, excretory what? What does that even mean? Why is it causing me so much trouble?
Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. The excretory system is simply the body's way of getting rid of waste and maintaining balance. Our bodies are incredible machines, constantly working to keep us alive and kicking. Every system has a role, and the excretory system is crucial for our overall health. And just like any well-oiled machine, our bodies produce waste that needs to be removed. If this waste builds up, it can cause problems. That's where the excretory system swoops in to save the day. It ensures that all the unwanted materials are efficiently expelled, keeping us healthy and functioning properly. Think of the excretory system as your body's very own cleanup crew. This system is essential for maintaining the body's internal environment, ensuring that everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Just like a team of dedicated cleaners keeps a building spotless, our excretory system works around the clock to keep our bodies free from harmful waste products. These waste products, if not removed, can cause serious health issues. Our excretory system works tirelessly to remove waste products from our blood and flush them out of our bodies. This process is vital for our overall health and well-being, as it prevents the buildup of toxins that can damage our organs and tissues. This waste can include everything from excess water and salts to byproducts of metabolism, ensuring our internal environment stays clean and balanced. Metabolism produces various waste products that need to be efficiently removed to keep our body functioning optimally. This amazing system involves a team of organs working together in perfect harmony: the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. Each of these organs has a specific role to play in the excretory process, making sure that waste is filtered, transported, stored, and eventually expelled from the body. Each member of this cleanup crew plays a crucial role in filtering waste, transporting it, storing it, and finally, showing it the way out. The kidneys filter the blood, the ureters transport urine to the bladder stores it, and the urethra expels it from the body. So, the next time you sip a refreshing glass of water, remember the incredible journey it's about to embark on within your body. From hydration to waste removal, water plays a key role in keeping our excretory system functioning smoothly. It's a fascinating process that highlights the complexity and efficiency of our body's natural cleanup crew. Let's start with the superstars of the excretory system, your kidneys. These bean-shaped organs, located near the middle of your back, are the ultimate filtering machines. Imagine them as tiny sieves, meticulously sorting through your blood to remove waste products and excess fluids.
Every minute, your kidneys filter about a liter of blood, removing toxins, urea, a waste product from protein breakdown, and other impurities. They then package these waste products into urine, which is essentially a concentrated solution of everything your body needs to get rid of. Think of it as your body's very own detox drink.
Now, once the kidneys have done their magic, the waste-laden urine needs a way to travel to the bladder. This is where the ureters come into play. These slender tubes, connecting each kidney to the bladder, act as the transportation system for urine. Imagine the ureters as tiny pipelines, diligently carrying urine from its production site in the kidneys to its temporary storage facility, the bladder. And just like a well-coordinated traffic system, the ureters ensure a smooth and one-way flow of urine, preventing any backflow and keeping things moving in the right direction.
Next on our tour of the excretory system is the bladder, a hollow muscular organ that acts as a temporary storage tank for urine.
Think of it as a flexible balloon that expands as it fills with urine.
The bladder can comfortably hold a significant amount of urine, allowing us to go about our day without constantly needing to use the bathroom.
But how do we know when it's time to empty this holding tank?
Well, that's where nerves come in. As the bladder fills up and stretches, it sends signals to our brain, letting us know it's time to find a restroom.
Section 6, urethra, the exit route. Finally, the urine reaches its last stop, the urethra. This tube serves as the exit route for urine to leave the body. When we decide it's time to empty our bladder, the muscles in the bladder wall contract, squeezing out the urine. The urethra then acts as a conduit, allowing the urine to flow freely out of the body, completing the excretory process. So, the next time you use the bathroom, take a moment to appreciate the remarkable journey your urine has taken and the incredible system that made it all possible. Section 7. When nature calls too often. Remember that feeling of waking up multiple times during the night to pee? That, my friends, is a common issue known as frequent urination. Now, there's no need to panic if you find yourself making a few extra trips to the bathroom every now and then. However, if it becomes a persistent problem, it's essential to pay attention to your body's signals. Frequent urination can be caused by various factors, including drinking excessive fluids, especially close to bedtime, certain medications like diuretics, and even medical conditions like urinary tract infections or diabetes. Section 8. Keeping your system in tip-top shape. Just like any other system in our body, the excretory system thrives on care and attention. It plays a vital role in removing waste and maintaining the body's internal balance. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle can keep your kidneys, bladder, and everything in between functioning well. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate hydration are key. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water is crucial for flushing out toxins. Aim for at least 8 glasses daily. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides essential nutrients for kidney health. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider ensure your excretory system is functioning optimally. By taking these steps, you can keep your excretory system in tip-top shape, leading to a healthier, more vibrant life. For more tips on maintaining a healthy lifestyle, subscribe to our channel and hit